What's going on, everybody? It's your boy CW again with another video. This watch was actually featured on my watch collection video, but I wanted to actually do a full unboxing. The watch collection video was kind of one of my first videos, and it was more just describing each watch for like a minute. And this is a way to actually see the entire unboxing experience, get really further down into the details of the watch. And I know a lot of these reviews are out, especially on a watch like this, which, definitely kind of like a hype watch, being the limited edition or whatnot. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Something I will notice though, out of the couple Orises that I have, they've all come in this box. And this box of this watch is significantly different, and we'll take a look at why. So let's go ahead and get it to the unboxing. So as soon as you unbox the main box, you come to this nice Okavango Air Rescue Limited Edition book. It's actually a pretty neat book. Just kind of shows you the history, the manufacturing of the watch, the design, its inspiration. We'll get into the watch in closer view, but kind of shows you pictures of the watch. Shows you the history. It's supposed to be a dial kind of replicating what it would look like from the airplane of the Delta fields of Africa. Kind of shows you a plane, and again the case back and the watch. On the case back is also its limited number. There's only 2,011 of these pieces, and I've never seen that before. The watch bears the following number. A little book. So the reason that this box is different, it comes in this little pouch. Looks like it's leather and maybe some kind of suede. Not really sure what this material is, but it opens up like a traditional watch. Get it open. So it comes with two straps. It comes with this NATO strap that kind of matches the dial. It's a green full NATO strap with an Oris clasp. And then it comes with a leather strap, also with an Oris clasp. And the price tag on this watch is $2,600 USD. Now, I love Oris as a brand, and I think Oris is a great brand, but it's just one of those brands that you shouldn't pay full retail for. I'm not going to get into any specifics, but I can tell you right now, for this watch, you could buy it new, with box, full kit, just like this, for about half the price on the internet, from reputable sellers. So I'm not saying that's all the case. I think there are some Orises that sell above retail, just like any other watch company. I think there's Orises that sell at retail, and there's some that sell underneath. I would just always do your homework, and as you go to look for your watch, make sure that you do some digging when it comes to Oris. Last thing here on the box before we get to the watch, looks like, gosh, that's huge. It's a big book. No way this is just the manual being this large. It is. Jeez, it's a huge book. Golly, it's a big book. Well, it's a big manual. Looks like you got some like sleeves to put stuff in. Pretty cool little box, actually. But yeah, it kind of just slides in the bottom of the box. So let's get into the watch. All right, so let's take a closer look at this Oris Big Crown ProPilot Okavango. Take a look at that dial. I don't know if you can see all the context and texture of the dial, but here's the thinness of the watch. Again, it's got a little bit of heft. Wouldn't say it's too heavy or too thick. And then that beautiful mural on the back. Limited edition 1709 out of 2011. It does have an anti-reflective sapphire crystal, it says here on the back. Okavango Air Rescue. It's got a picture of the plane that we mentioned in the manual, kind of going over the planes. And then back to the dial. Now, I do like this little red accent right here on the end of the second hand. It is time and date only, which I really appreciate. And I just love this screw down crown on this watch. Go. Listen to that wind. Nice screw down crown with its 100 meters of water resistance. And again, with this watch too, it only has 38 hours of power reserve. And it seems low, but this is a watch that's meant to be worn every day. This is definitely not a dress piece. It's not a piece that's just kind of for show. This is a piece that was literally a big crown tool watch. This is a watch that's supposed to be worn in the field. This is a watch that's supposed to be worn every day. So if this is your daily wear, 38 hours of power reserve is plenty. When you're not going to be wearing the watch. Now, if this is a watch that you're just casually putting in your rotation, yeah, you're going to have to wear it every 38 hours to kind of keep it going. Take a look at it on the wrist. And let me know what you guys think about this strap. I have a friend of mine, this is his favorite watch in the whole world, and he hates this strap. Obviously it comes with 2 straps that you kind of saw in the unboxing, but this is just a third-party strap from Amazon. But that's what it looks like on the wrist. I have 7-inch wrists. Here's what it looks like from eye view. It's a really cool looking watch. Well done. Now again, this is a 41 millimeter, so it's a little bit big, but it doesn't have a bezel, so it's kind of, you know, I guess the right size. I mean, if it was 41 and had a big bezel on the side, or, you know, it was kind of like a dive watch, it'd be a little too big. But being that it's just the dial, doesn't make it look too bad. Here's a shot a little close up. Here's a shot a little close up with that that dial and the red second hand. Apologies for the ceiling light above. But if you have any questions about this watch, please leave a comment below. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Peace.